Hey peeps, this is your boy Cooking with Ron. So, I don't know if you guys ever heard of this, but it's called a potato. It's a version of potato eggs. It's a version of deviled eggs, but using a potato. So, we have a tomato, and you know something? I forgot to get a spoon. I'll be right back. Hey peeps, I am back. So, got the potato cut in half. What we want to do is we want to go inside the center of this potato and remove some of its innards. Right? Excuse me. I think I'm trying to get a little hoarse or something. Don't need that during the holidays. Alright, see that? See that emptiness? Every time you make deviled eggs, you always tend to have a surplus of the goodies. So what we're going to do is we're going to put some of that inside here. Okay. Take you some bacon bits. Don't know why I want to add these in here. So what we're going to do is I'm going to try two different ones. I'm going to try it with just bacon bits, and then I'll try the other one with paprika. And we're going to give it a quick test taste. All right. So this is what it look like. Let's go ahead and see what a traditional one would taste like with just the yolk of the egg and the paprika. I'm not going to say that's bad. That's more interesting than anything else. That's interesting. Let me see what the one with bacon tastes like. No. I kind of like the one with bacon a bit more. Yeah, I am sure I like the one with bacon a bit more. I'm just curious. What'll happen if I put a little of this paprika on the one with bacon bits? Now, I like it with only the bacon bits on it. So, you can make what's the word I'm looking for? You can make potato versions of deviled eggs. All you have to do is take the potato and boil it for a while until it gets soft. And if you notice, the skin is also soft, so, which means you can also get the benefits of eating the skin, because the skin is no longer tough or hard, and you can just go ahead and enjoy yourself. I'm just going to again remove the innards. So what I'm going to do is I made a few of them, and I'm going to allow, because I have so much of this yolk left over, I'm going to go ahead and set up a couple of these for my son, who's going to absolutely adore this, because he loves to eat. And if any of you guys have young males in your house, you would also understand what I'm saying, because they love to eat. And these are just regular bacon bits that you can buy at the local dollar store, or you can buy it at your local grocery store. Doesn't really matter where you get it, just get it. And again, like I said, it tastes much better with just the bacon bits in it compared to the paprika. I even added the paprika afterwards, and it still didn't make much of a difference when it came to quality of taste. So Now you have it. You now can make potato deviled eggs for your family members, loved ones, and anyone that you want to give a surprising gift to. Because they will not even see this coming. Trust me. Because my son has no idea that I've made this, and he's going to be absolutely floored when he tastes some of these. When he gets up, because that child was up early this morning, raiding the refrigerator for the Thanksgiving stuff I made last night, and he had already went through a plate, was on his second plate, and I'm over here looking at him like a deer in the headlights. Are you hungry? And the sun hasn't even come up yet. So that is the problem that you will have out of having a son. They eat like the world is about to come to the end, and if you don't understand that, then you probably don't have a son like most of us do, who eat as if it's done. It's a done. And when you give them credit, I was told that I ate like that by people outside of family, but I swear I cannot remember ever eating like that. So I'm going to now put this in the refrigerator for him to have later on. But again, potato style deviled eggs. So I wouldn't really call them. I have to think of a better name, and maybe you guys and the rest of my family can come up and help me with. Do I call them potato eggs, or maybe deviled egg potatoes? Potatoes that wish it had some eggs. But it's basically, in a nutshell, a potato that's been boiled to it's absolutely soft, taking the remaining parts of what you use to make a deviled egg, take the innards out of that potato, not all of it, just some of it, then put in what you have left from your old deviled eggs that you were making, and sprinkle it with some bacon bits. That's pretty much it. Potato bacon bits. Or potato, yes, deviled potato eggs, or whatever. Until next time, family, you take care of yourself. Happy holidays. I wish everything the best for you and your family, and I hope to see you next year. Actually, we got another holiday that's coming around the corner, so I'll see you even before then. Take care of yourself. Well, I'll probably see me in the morning, because I'll probably have a video next week. Take care of yourself. Till next time. Bye.